Howdy everybody, Michael here. Welcome to this week's edition of the Disney Dining Review, helping you know when and where and what to eat when you plan your next trip to Walt Disney World. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. This week we're going to right there's Columbia Harbor House. We're gonna head in there, check it out. Let's go grab something to eat. When you walk into the Columbia Harbor House, you'll be handed a menu, and here is the menu. This place is all about the seafood, if you can see that, guys. You have the trio platter, the combination platter, and the original plates, all of that with shrimp, fish, and chicken breast. Going down the menu to the classic entrees, you have the Anchors Away sandwich, the lobster roll, shrimp, macaroni and cheese, chicken pot pie, grilled salmon, broccoli peppercorn salad, and then the sides down here as we look at the couscous, steamed vegetables, corn on the cob, french fries, vegetarian chili, and the New England clam chowder. As we turn it over, we have the kids menu. That's a tuna sandwich. That's the Smucker's Uncrustables, garden salad with chicken, macaroni and cheese, chicken breast, and the chicken breast nuggets with the fish. Also, you have all of your drinks that are located here at the Columbia Harbor House, and you go on down and they show you the two specialty things over here made at the Columbia Harbor House, that blueberry cobbler and the Odawada lemonade slushy. As we sat down to eat the food here at the Columbia Harbor House, we ordered the fish and chips, plenty of fries as you can see here. As well, they just recently went to corn instead of the customary coleslaw that they always used to have with the plates. And you get 3 of the fish fingers with the fish and chips. I will give you 2 tips here. I initially ordered without fries and it cost me $2 less. So it's almost $12 and it would have cost me like 10. As well, if you're 2 people, this is a pretty decent sized meal, but if you add another finger to it for another $1, it becomes definitely a meal that 2 people could enjoy for lunch without really being hungry. And as always, free water. Free water, good tip, always free water. And free large water. But there is the food here at Columbia Harbor House. Let's chat down. As we walk around the Columbia Harbor House, this is upstairs. This was a slow day here at the Columbia Harbor House. Usually this areas are completely full. My favorite area here is this little cubby as you walk off. Over here, you'll see that you have a great people watching spot. So like I said, it's a huge restaurant here, plenty of seating, definitely marine themed, more New England marine themed as it goes, as you have the fish and chips and all things like that here at the Columbia Harbor House with the boats and everything that is nautical. That was the Columbia Harbor House. We are about to walk out. As you can see everything behind me. Love me some Columbia Harbor House as I eat here all of the time. I will tell you this, the food is a little greasy because it's fried fish. I have had the lobster roll here on one occasion and it was really good, and definitely would recommend the lobster roll. As well, like I said, the ability to change up your thing and have less fish or less fries and stuff and customize your meal, that is there. No one advertises that, but you can always take it apart and do that as well. I think that's it, guys. I would give Columbia Harbor House a solid 4. There was a 3 there, that's a 4. I'd give it a 4 when it comes to quick services. Probably a 3.5 on the overall scheme of things when it comes to restaurants here at Disney. But a 4 because of the quick service, and you probably don't expect as much from a quick service. With that said, I love me some Columbia Harbor House. I eat here once every 2 or 3 months, probably somewhere in that range, and definitely would recommend it for a quick in and out. I will say this, don't come at lunch, don't come at dinner, come in that middle time. This is like 2 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but I'm gonna tell you the park closes early today, so there's really nobody here. But I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed the review, guys. And if you did, hit the like button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well if you're not already following along here. I'm gonna get out of here, and until next time, here's the life.